Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, I just found a new mining project, a Telegram mining project. By tapping, you can earn the token. Even the farming also will give you the token for free. You don't need to tap in here because with the farming, you will earn the token. This project is same like Hamstar Compact, YesCoin, WCoin, TapSwap. In the future, it can give you huge profit. The website is like centralized.io. Inside this website, you can purchase any coin. You can trade, you can hold, you can earn cryptocurrency. So now, the website just launched their own mining project. So our centralized exchange.io PowerTech minigame just landed on Telegram, prepared to be hooked. So now, this website or this project just launched their own minigame or mining project inside the Telegram. That's why inside this video, I will show you how to start with this project, how to earn the coin, even how to invite your friends in order to get more commission. Further, the whole thing I will tell you, even about the farming, because a farm will give you the token for free. Like I can say, it will earn the coin for free. Like Hamstar, the BitGet is earning the coin for you. Like YesCoin, the board is earning coin for you. Like TapSwap, like many more projects. Here are the boards that will mine the coin for you. You don't need to tap in here. So same like farming also will earn the coin for you. So the whole thing I will cover inside this video. Don't skip any part of the video. The website is live. If you check the website, I will show you inside this video. So checking the website, checking the ecosystem, this project can be one of the real project, one of the best project. Okay, now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about mining project, new mining application, about personal project, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Okay guys, you can see this is the website, centralizedexchange.io. You can see the website is live. You can create account, you can sign into your account, even you can purchase any cryptocurrency in here. Like you can see, we have different cryptocurrencies inside this website. So you're all in one crypto platform to buy, sell, trade, hold, and earn cryptocurrencies. Since 2030, we have guided millions of global users on their digital assets journey. So this project is from 2013. So now this project just launched its own mining application inside Telegram. I can say Tune blockchain. So if you scroll down, you can see all the details in here, and then about your next crypto opportunities, spot trading, centralized exchange, their own wallet, instant buy, even about their application. So you can see, you can check the website yourself. Even the staking is available. If you stake your coin, you will get reward. Like we have Kawa, you will get 20% profit. Like if I show about the Atom, you will get 20% profit. So check the website yourself. But directly we will jump to the mobile application. I will show you how to start with this project. The link is in the description. Click on the link and then start the mining. So okay guys, this is the centralized exchange.io PowerTap. This is the project of this platform. Simply, once you click on the link below in the description and then click on start application. Okay, now simply in here type your email address and then click on continue. Once you type your email address, then click on continue. So wait for a while. Okay, now let's get started. Here you can see this is your token, your balance. You can see your balance in here. Okay, 1000 taps left. By tapping, you will get the token. You can see by tapping, you will get the tokens. Like you can check in here, 47 CEXP. This is I can say the token of this mining project, CEXP. Now if you click on the claim, so now you can see you just got it. Now this is your balance, 47. Okay, further if you check about the task, make sure to complete all this task. You will get the token like 10,000, 5,000, 50,000, 25, even 50,000, 200,000. If you invite 50 friends, you will get 200,000. If you invite 100 friends, you will get 500,000. Even about these things, if you complete all this task, you will get the token. I can say there are huge tokens available inside the task section. So further about the farm. So about the farming, if you start a farming area, click on this. Okay, farm area reward. Now this farm will earn the coin for you. You don't need to tab in here because it will earn the token for you. You can see you just start it. You can check in here. So after 4 hours, you can claim your token. Simply click on claim and then you will get your token inside the balance section. So level up with token farming, claim CEXP and keep the farm popping. So this is how. I told you with the farm, you will get the token without any tapping. Okay, if we go back to squad, you can see in here I have 47. Further your team, and then invite your friends. You can invite your friends in here. Okay, by tapping you will get the coin. Simply tap in here. Okay, now click on claim. You will get the token. So this is how you can start with this project. Make sure invite your friends in order to get commission. So the link is below in the description. Click on the link, start this project. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So okay guys, smash the like button 20 while time high. If still did not subscribe to our channel, make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this video is end up in here. To the next video, goodbye, see you.